Where are we going?
To via something for lunch.
You know, when you pass too much time with the same person that you start hating them? No, just joking. But that's the funny part of this thing called relationships. Even the mundane stuff like going to lunch somewhere can get funny for an actual reason, and you find yourself enjoying the small things even more than the bigger ones. You can actually see me struggling to find words because English not being my first language really is tough on me when it comes to this type of games. The best thing about passing the days at home is honestly that even the silence can be interesting as well. Adjusting, coexisting in silence, working, studying, and then connecting by doing what you love to do together. The most fun we had, even if we're on vacation, exploring, visiting, and walking, is actually cooking and eating, of course. It's a practice that we did since we met, and I guess our love language is just doing it for one another. So here we are. I'm being spoiled while he cooks some meat for me because it's his strength, and I do the princess by watching him. And after a ton of talks, a lot of my ancestors, and getting our stomach full, it's movie time. Did we pick this movie just because Matthew McConaughey is in it? Yes? Did we regret it? Definitely no.
Jesus.
Oh, you're here. Always the problem.
Did I already say that breakfast is my favorite part of the day? Because it is, and it shows from the amount of food we took, which I must say was the best breakfast we had in this whole Sicily trip. After that, it was posting day, so I had to rush and film the segment that ended up in the Catania vlog, which you haven't seen. Go now, kids.
Yeah.
How's the light?
It's a bit dark from this side, but this is, I'm gonna show you, wait.
If you already enjoy doing something by yourself, doing it with somebody you really care about, who is good at those type of things, is really motivating. So I was really grateful to have him while I was experimenting with this type of content. What can I say? That day was my turn for cooking. So we improvised ragu with all of the ingredients included in the recipe.
What?
It's gonna be more sauce than pasta.
Yeah. Like Belgian pasta.
And yes, at one point it left, I know, cruel, but it was amazing, as it should be. These were some days in between to recharge from walking that much in the last days, and I'm happy we got to stay inside and just spend some time together. I hope you enjoyed these bits of my life. See you in the next video. Bye!